If you need to use the FrontRunner and need a quick lesson how it works, then I'll give you a quick rundown to what it is, where it goes, and how to pay to use it. Right here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. The FrontRunner is a high-speed rail line that connects major regional hubs like Ogden, Salt Lake City, and Provo together. This rail system helps passengers to get to important locations such as Thanksgiving Point and the free Utah Valley Express that provides free access to Brigham Young University and Utah Valley University, and so many shops and cafes, plus more. There are 16 stations, and if you stay on the FrontRunner from beginning to end, it takes approximately 1.5 hours to complete. This service runs from Monday to Saturday. There's no service on Sunday unless there's a special occasion, but they are very rare. They run every 30 minutes during peak hours and every 60 minutes during off-peak times and on Saturdays. You can use the FrontRunner and then transfer to a Trax. In fact, the FrontRunner and Trax share 3 key stops. These include Salt Lake Central Station, to transfer to the Trax Blue Line, North Temple Bridge, Guadalupe Station. This connects the FrontRunner with the Trax Green Line, which also goes to the airport, and Murray Central Station, which connects the FrontRunner with the Trax Red and Blue lines. The FrontRunner stations offer free parking for commuters, which is also a plus if you're using it for school or work. They provide buses if you need to continue your journey from the station to wherever you need to go. The FrontRunner was created because it can get you where you need to go at higher speeds, while the Trax stops at intersections. The FrontRunner doesn't. It goes straight from the tracks and gets you to where you need to go fast. Each car is designed for comfortable long-distance commuting with complimentary Wi-Fi, onboard restrooms, and a designed bike storage car. Most cars feature 2 passenger levels and are used on regular daily routes. To use this form of travel, there are a couple ways. If you're visiting Salt Lake City and are staying at a hotel and have no car and want to use the FrontRunner for commuting, then the easiest way to do this is by purchasing a paper ticket. You can use it to transfer from the FrontRunner to a transit bus, an S-Line streetcar, or the Trax, as long as it's before the 2-hour limit. Up to 2 children under 5 can ride the FrontRunner, Trax, S-Line streetcar, and transit bus services for free as long as they're with a paying adult. To get a paper ticket, you will need to go to a FrontRunner station and right up to a ticket machine. From here, you will have a number of buttons to choose from. If you are planning to go one direction, you can choose one way, and your paper ticket will be good for 2 hours. If you need to continue your journey using the Trax, S-Line streetcar, or transit bus. If you choose round trip, you'll be combining 2 one-way ticket journeys into a single transaction, and this will be good for the remainder of the day of purchase. So, it's like a day pass, and you can use it on the S-Line streetcar, Trax, and transit buses as well. Or a group pass. This will allow up to 4 people to travel together on the FrontRunner, Trax, S-Line, and bus lines, unlimited for the full day, but they must travel together as a group. the bottom of the touch screen, to the left, if you press on the button that says Español, all the words will turn to Spanish. If you press the button to the right, saying Audio, this is for the blind and those visually impaired, and the machine will provide spoken step-by-step instructions. I'm only going to need a one-way ticket, so I'll press the button one way. On the next screen is for transfer credit. The FrontRunner costs more per stop to use, so you can't go on a bus, S-Line, or tracks and transfer your ticket directly to the FrontRunner. On this screen, if you have choices, you choose Echo, Monthly, All-Day Pass, or Transfer. These usually cover basic local transit like buses and tracks because FrontRunner is a premium service, and this will tell the system to apply your pass or transfer as a credit, and you will only need to pay the additional amount required to cover the specific distance you're traveling. I have neither of these, so I will click No. The price of a ticket will determine where I'm going, so 8 stations appear. And if a station doesn't appear, then you would click Additional Stations. I'm going to press Salt Lake City. From here, I have 2 choices: to pay either by cash using US coins or paper bills, or by credit card using the Discover card, MasterCard, Visa, or American Express. You can't pay by debit card. If you need to add more tickets, at the bottom right, you will see a button Purchase Additional Tickets for this trip. I don't need to add tickets. I'm going to pay by credit card. I can either put my credit card into the machine or just tap it. I'm going to click the button Credit Card and tap my card. It's printing the ticket. And there it is, a one-way FrontRunner paper ticket, good for 2 hours. If you prefer to buy your paper ticket online, you can do so by downloading the UTA on-demand app and purchase your ticket straight to your phone. And if you don't use it, it's still good for up to 90 days. If you live in Salt Lake City and are looking for solutions to save money than buying a paper ticket, every time you use the FrontRunner, you can do it by getting a FarePay card. You can save money, all due to fare capping. Having a FarePay card will save you money, but you can't get one from a ticket machine. You can get one by going online or visiting local retail stores, Harmon's, Smith's, Maverick, or 7-Eleven. There'll be a fee to the card unless you visit a UTA customer service center in person, such as Meadowbrook or Provo or Ogden. You can also get a reduced FarePay card that allows youth ages 6 to 18, seniors, and people with disabilities or low-income individuals to ride all Utah transportation services such as buses, tracks, FrontRunner at a very low cost. This can be done online or in person, bringing required documents and of course a profile photo at a UTA customer service center. From here, you wait on the platform and here comes the commuter train. You wait for your turn and then you enter and find a seat. And that's everything you need to know about the FrontRunner. Thank you for watching this video. If you're curious about the differences between the FrontRunner and tracks, how to use the tracks, or how to get a tracks paper ticket, or how to find the tracks airport train in Salt Lake City, then check out these videos. And please check out all of my videos and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.